There is a specific kind of dread that comes with unboxing a large new screen only to hear the plastic frame creak under your hands. You want your gear to feel like it can actually survive your daily life. This 32-inch display hits that sweet spot. It feels heavy duty without looking like a bulky eyesore. The moment you pull it out of the box, you notice the lack of flex in the panel. That sturdiness matters. A flimsy frame usually signals cheap internals. This build feels intentional and solid. The bezels are slim and modern. They provide that edge-to-edge look. It makes your workspace feel more immersive than you might expect for the price. When you finally hit the power button, the experience is immediate. You are not met with washed-out colors. You do not see a blurry mess that needs fixing. Many budget-friendly displays force you to spend hours buried in a complex settings menu. You end up fighting just to make the image look natural. This one gets it right immediately out of the box. The colors are vibrant. The image is crisp. Text is incredibly sharp. This is a massive relief for anyone who spends 8 hours a day staring at documents. It also helps with lines of code. It saves your eyes. No more nagging late afternoon strain. Since this is an LED panel, it brings a lot of brightness to your desk. Movies look great. Games feel punchy. It does not try to be a high-end professional color tool. It is not a hyper-fast competitive gaming monster either. Instead, it targets the middle ground where most of us actually live. You get those wide viewing angles. This means you do not have to sit perfectly still to keep the image from shifting. You will not lose your contrast. Lean back in your chair. The colors stay true. Shift your position. The image remains clear. That is a huge win for anyone who likes to share their screen during a movie night. It is great for a quick gaming session with friends, too. The connectivity on the back is well designed. You have multiple ports. They handle your laptop, your main PC, and your favorite game console all at once. No more crawling under the desk to swap cables every single evening. It makes the transition from work mode to play mode feel effortless. Now, the built-in speakers are exactly what you would expect. They are fine for a quick video call. They work for a basic clip. However, they lack the rich depth you want for a blockbuster film. You will likely want to keep your headphones nearby. Use external speakers for the heavy lifting. This display is built for the person who wants reliability and size. It skips the terrifying price tag. It is an honest piece of hardware. It handles everyday tasks with ease. You will not find yourself fighting with the controls. You will not be constantly adjusting the brightness. It just sits there. It delivers a high-quality window into your digital world. It is a massive, practical upgrade for anyone tired of squinting at a tiny, outdated screen. It proves that you can get a premium feel and a massive canvas without a massive headache. It is the kind of gear that fades into the background because it just works. It makes your daily routine smoother and your entertainment much more vivid without demanding a fortune in return. It offers a clear and stable picture that makes even the most mundane spreadsheets look a bit more exciting. It is about finding that balance between performance and price. This monitor finds it.